This 2018 Forest River Wildwood 241QBXL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 26 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, microwave, refrigerator, water heater, LP detector, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Forest River Wildwood 241QBXL is 4,403 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.